Hello everyone. Welcome to the Student Presentation Week 2024. Myself Krutika Ganpatrao Burange, student of B Pharmacy 4th semester of PR Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Talegaon district, Wardha. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of casein. Contents of this presentation are description, biological sources, chemistry of casein, structure of casein, macroscopical characters, solubility, stability, types, isolation of casein, and uses of casein. So, what is the casein? Casein is the family of related phosphoproteins that are commonly found in the mammalian milk, comprising about 80% of the protein in a cow milk and between 20 to 60% of the protein in a human milk. Casein is the primary emulsifier in proteins, that is, it helps in the mixing oil, fats, and water in a milk. Some synonyms of casein are given. Casein, when coagulated with the chymosin, it is called as paracasein. Sodium caseinate is the common form of the casein, which is efficient emulsifiers. Emulsifier are the additives used to help mix two substances that typically separate when they are combined. Some another synonyms are bovine casein, calcium caseinate, casein allergenic extract, and milk protein. Then biological sources of casein. It is proteolytic enzyme obtained from the stomach of the cows. It is extracted from the protein of the milk. Casein is structured in a voluminous globules which is responsible for the white color of the milk. Geographical sources of casein. United States, India, China, and countries across Europe are the main region of casein production. Then, it is widely obtained from the areas with significant dairy farming industries and milk processing facilities. Chemistry of the casein. Casein contains 0.85% of phosphorus, 0.75% of sulfur. Isoelectric point of casein is 4.7. Now, what is isoelectric point? It is the pH at which a particular molecule carries no net electrical charges. Total 15 amino acids are present in casein. Nitrogen content is 15 to 16%. Molecular weight of casein is 75,000 to 3,70,000 gram per mole. This is the structure of the casein, and the chemical formula of casein is C81H125N22O39P. The casein protein include four classes: alpha S1, alpha S2, beta and kappa. When they are assembled into a structure, it is called as casein micelles. First, alpha S1. It shows the presence of loose flexible polypeptide chain. It aggregate at low calcium concentration. Second, alpha S2. It shows the presence of dipolar structure in which negative charge is present on the N terminal and positive charge on the C terminal. It precipitate at low level of calcium. Third, beta casein. 209 amino acids are present in the beta casein. Two genetic variants are present, that is A1 and A2. Beta casein is less sensitive to calcium precipitation. Fourth, kappa casein. 169 amino acids are present. It is present on the surface of casein micelles. Kappa casein contains hair-like structures which protect casein micelle from precipitate. It is very resistant to calcium precipitation. Macroscopical characters of the casein. Casein is white and slightly yellow colored. It is amorphous solid and hygroscopic in nature. Casein is odorless and tasteless. Then solubility and stability. Casein is insoluble in water, soluble in dilute alkalis, concentrated acid, but precipitates from dilute acid solution. It is hygroscopic in nature, stable when dry, but deteriorates rapidly when damp. Deteriorate means loss in the properties of the material by chemical interaction with the environment. Then types of the casein. There are two types of casein: acid casein and rennet casein. Acid casein. When skimmed milk is acidified with dilute acid, the whey is separated, curd is washed several times, dried, and pulverized. Pulverization is the process of pressing or crushing something until it becomes powder or a soft mass. Uses of acid casein is it is used in a hard cheese, bakery products, meat sauces, paper, glue, paint, etc. Rennet casein. Skimmed milk is treated with an enzyme, rennet extract. Product is separated and purified. Rennet casein has good melting properties, excellent emulsifier properties, improved texture, and gives stretching power, etc. Let's start the procedure. Firstly, take a milk in a beaker and heat it to about 50 degrees Celsius. After that, remove the cream. In the next step, add acetic acid solution drop by drop into the milk. We have to stir the milk with the help of glass rod. Now you can see that casein is precipitated. Then filter this solution. After filtration, collect the filtrated casein and transfer it into mixture of diethyl ether and ethanol. Mix it properly so that extra fat get removed from the casein. After that, filter the mixture to separate casein, discard filtrate and collect casein and keep it for drying. Uses of the casein. Casein is used in the manufacture of binders, adhesive, protection coating, plastic, fabrics, food additives and many other products. It is used by bodybuilders as slow digesting source of the amino acid. It is used as a dietary supplements source of a protein. It is used as a base in standardized of proteolytic enzymes. Casein is used as emulsifying agent. Some other uses is given in a picture. It is used in a cheese making, protein supplements, dental uses, making paints, fibers and plastics and glue making. These are some marketed products of the casein. This was all about the topic of casein. Lastly, I would like to express my special thanks to Dr. Banarase sir, Honorable Director sir, Principal sir and all the faculty members who give me golden opportunity to do this wonderful presentation on the topic of casein. It helped me to increase my knowledge and skill. Thank you and have a nice day.